we insist, kami ng mga retired, kawawa yung mga... So, we, as a board, we voted to remain silent on these issues. However, nung General Assembly namin, nung January 25, the General Assembly voted that the PMAAA will go against corruption. The reason is it destroys the moral fiber of the community. The economic development of the country is hampered because of the yung fund natin is hindi pumuputak sa tunay na project. As explained by Mayor Magalong, it's parang napakasakit na sila nagkokontrol ng budget, sila ang kontrata, sila pa rin ang subcontractor, and sila pa rin ang supplier.
Hindi, pero Jerry Gonzales, sir, nung kabataan natin, nung Teniente Kapitan Colonel, di ba meron na rin ganyan?
Siguro meron, but not that vulgar. Vulgar na ngayon talagang open. Like for example, how come a family enters the political arena if yung career na yan is not profitable. So ibig sabihin yan, kung sa lahat ng pamilya kasama sa political and then sila lahat kasama, ibig sabihin profitable yung career na yan.
Parang lumalabas nga sa politics is the most profitable business in the Philippines.
Nangyayari yan. And nangyayari na lumalabas tuloy na yung gap between yung mayaman at saka yung mahirap. Lalong lumalayo. Kaya I think it's time that for us, even siguro yung mga masses dyan, we have to go against corruption.